everybody, what's up? Welcome back to this lovely dinner table in Idaho. I know, we're still here. And by still here, I mean I made all of these videos that you're watching on the same day. So, yeah, I'm still here, but I'm not still here. You know what I mean? Anyhow, today is going to be another quick one. Today we're going to be talking about growing. What are we growing today? Today we're going to be talking about growing Muscari or grape hyacinth. I think that's a more common name for it also. If you've never seen Muscari before, and again, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I don't know how to pronounce these things. Anyway, today we're going to be planting some Muscari. If you've never seen them before, they are this teeny tiny little, little tiny spring blooming bulbs. And there's usually a little purplish blue, bluish purple. I personally see more blue. Some people see more purple. I don't know. Flower with little florets. I don't know how to explain these things to you guys. I'm sorry. Anyway, first and foremost, they are super cute and they have the tendency to naturalize in the yard. So for me, that's like winning combination. Like, yes, plant me. I love the flowers that naturalize on their own and come back on their own. Of course, I got some of these. I got like 25 of them or something. I got them from Longfield Gardens. You can see that in the garden haul video on my channel. Much like the skilla, I had originally bought these to put in my parents' yard, and my mom was like, I don't want them things popping up all over my yard. So they're coming to my house and they're coming to live at my house. The first thing I did is I looked at my package instructions because that's how I'm planting these. I know that this is not very helpful, but this is just how it is. All I'm going to do is I'm going to dig kind of a trench deep enough according to the package instructions. I think this one was like 2 to 3 inches deep or something like that. I just am saying it off the top of my head. I'm pretty sure I took a picture of the package, so just look at that for reference. The first thing I needed to do was determine which end of the bulb was up and which end was down. You can do this. Obviously, the bottom looks like it has roots around the bottom, and the top part is usually pointy, so I'm going to make sure I am going to be planting those the right side up, and then I'm going to evenly space them in my hole. As you can see, I spaced them pretty close together. This is mainly because I just don't have the space in the yard to plant a lot of flower bulbs. I reckon I would probably have to dig these up eventually if they do begin to multiply, because let's just face it, I don't have the room for them and I'd have to move them again. But if I was making this as a first time planting, I'd probably be more likely to follow the rules of planting to see how the flowers do. I just gently cover these bulbs back up with soil and lightly pressed down soil, making sure that it comes in good contact with the bulbs. And hopefully we'll have some really beautiful spring flowers that bloom in springtime. Of course they're going to bloom in springtime. They're spring flowers. I'm not sure how resistant these actually are to deer and things like that, but hopefully they are, because I mentioned in the last video, I do have voles. Tons of voles and tons of rabbits and tons of squirrels. I don't have any deer, but the rabbits, squirrels, and voles, they make up for it. That's really about it for this video. Hopefully it was somehow helpful. I'm not quite sure if it was. If it was, and you're new to the channel, be sure to hit subscribe. I'd love to have you. Hit that little bell icon. The little bell icon will tell you whenever I make new videos. Usually it's vegetable gardening, cut flower farming, soap making. It could be just a wide range of stuff. I make a variety of different types of videos here on the channel. Hopefully you like a little surprise, because you really never know what you're going to get. Do feel free to share this with your friends. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm not quite sure if we can do it, but I'm going to try my best. I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.